Once upon a time, there was a poor boy who made for his living by selling newspapers from door to door. This was the way he used to earn money to pay the fees for his school. One day, as he was walking from house to house distributing newspapers, as usual, he felt very low and was shoving. He felt that he could not walk anymore. He was so hungry that he decided to ask for food at one of the houses. As he knocked on the door, he was astonished to see a beautiful young girl opening the door. With much hesitation, he asked the girl for a glass of water. The young girl immediately understood the poor boy's condition and offered him a huge glass of milk. With a surprising look, the boy drank the milk and thanked the pretty girl. The newspaper boy asked, "How much do I pay you for this milk?" "I don't want any money for this," replied the girl in a very soft voice. The boy once again thanked the girl with all his heart and left the place.